Previously on Monster Truck Rally.
This truck costs $10,000. But Daddy, what did you do to my bike? This is revenge. Owie!
Son, are you okay?
No, I broke my backbone.
My car! I paid infinite money on that!
Well, you can buy another one.
No, I can't.
That's revenge. Again.
You are grounded.
No! Let's play Fortnite! I'm the kid named Jacob Castleman. Hello, I am Jacob Castleman, and I act as the son and the dad.
And I also act part of the dad. And check out his channel, Jacob Exploding Jacob.
Exploding Jacob just has a big explosion.
And it also has videos that are also well edited. Also visit my brother's channel. What's it called? Lou's Fun Time?
No.
Yeah, Lou's Fun Time. Check
No.
out Lou's Fun Time.
I don't.
Air horn
The fun
explosion.
channel. I think it was the fun channel.
Yeah. Air horn explosion. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Peace!